In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a fantastic photo book using Canva, a versatile and user-friendly graphic design platform. Crafting a photo book is a wonderful way to preserve memories and showcase your photography skills in a personalized format. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a beautifully designed photo book ready to share with friends, family, or even print. To start, open Canva on your computer or device and type photo book into the search bar. This will bring up a variety of templates specifically designed for photo books. Canva offers an impressive selection, making it easy to find one that matches your style and vision. Once you've found some options, take your time to browse the templates. Hover over each to preview the number of pages included. This helps ensure you select a template that fits your desired length and layout. Choosing the right template up front saves time and ensures your final design feels cohesive. When you find the perfect template, click Customize this template to begin personalizing it. Canva's customization tools are intuitive, offering numerous ways to express your creativity. Next, look for the Uploads option in the left panel. This is where you can bring in your own photos. Upload images from your device, then simply drag and drop them onto the template's placeholder images. This instantly replaces the template images with your own content. Repeat this process until all placeholders have been updated. Each page of your photo book is a canvas for creativity. You can adjust layouts, add text, or apply filters to enhance your images. Explore Canva's library of elements, including stickers, frames, and illustrations, to add unique touches to your design. Once you're satisfied with your photo book, download it or share it digitally. Creating a photo book with Canva is straightforward and fun. With these simple steps, you can compile cherished memories into a stunning photo book, whether it's a collection of holiday photos, travel adventures, or a professional portfolio. I hope this tutorial inspires you to create a photo book you'll be proud to show off. Enjoy designing.